Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about Thickman. Again. Who bad mind him in a life, or who bad mind him in a death. Cause him have Lamborghini, and I not none. But, we have some serious questions to the JCF. I already tell them this year, many divisions, St. James, Westmoreland, St. Catherine North, St. Catherine South, enough place, I've been doing a splendid job. You know, a squad thing say, look at YouTuber, I fling big stone off him. I'm asking a question. Because the pattern isn't ending. The way how when I put on these, what can only be described as state level motorcades for these dons, it not only has to be studied, but it needs to get shake up completely. Because that the procession that with Thickman get only cement in the one other dopey bat mind, say Thickman a god. In case you never know, man say Thickman of them daddy, man say Thickman of them god. That's a thing now in the area, man. You hear man refer to man as them god. Buy them 2 shoes, buy them 2 guineas. Got 2 party them. You even hear man refer to some of your favorite artists them as gods. That's why I tell us when you hear Jamaican say God, you have to ask them which god. Cause I go to one artist them attack, I go to one dan them attack. But you can't tell them to Thickman and then God after this. Never talk about it. Never touch upon it. Before we go into that, I have a very special Patreon birthday shout out. Very special. This one goes out to Elijah. It's Elijah's first birthday. First birthday. This one is coming from his nan Natalie and his mom Kim. Him probably asleep by now, cause I go drop the video late. I know say Natalie and Kim go there and say, boy, look at YouTube, I forget. We don't forget. Just I hope say the little prince not drop asleep yet. If him drop asleep, make sure him hear it early in the morning. Little Elijah, I get to understand say, you're not a baby with fussy about screen and anything. Phone screen and them something, but anytime him hear the thunder, start get busy. And from him in the belly him stay so you know sir, one more PIA that pan them. One more PIA that pan them. Wait till him grow up. Wait till him grow up. From him in the womb, he might hear the little YouTuber. From him in the womb, when the thunder drop, start get busy. The man will big up Elijah. Remember say, the vile dopey bat them try recruit the youths them from them that kindergarten, preschool. When time they want to corrupt the youth them mind, them start from a very early age. When they want to put evil in the youth them mind, them start from a very early age. So why if you want to put something constructive in the youth them mind, why wouldn't you start from an early age? That's why no fun to lose the youths them, cause now say, I could wait till him at 19 before we show him certain things. But by then the dopey bat them and the sprat them and the devil them already get to him. By then the masters of confusion get to them already because them already get a head start and gone to kindergarten, preschool. Them in the cartoon them. I show the youth them certain things and you sit down there talk about, yo, I could wait till him at 19 dog that we can reason. No, by then it's too late. Spooky times. Little Elijah. Big up yourself, man. Big up yourself. And Natalie and Kim, I'm not have to say nothing more. That's little Elijah. First birthday. See? Patreon squad from the very young to the very old. Make we get back to the video. Now let me say squaddy, but just want to understand. When you put, let me play the video then and then get back to you. Check this out.
Woman!
Now, I understand better than most. So when certain man dead and a certain man funeral, there has to be heightened security. I understand that. But when me see surrounding Thickman funeral and procession is not just heightened security. What I saw was a state-level diplomat being sent off to airy heaven in the grandest of fashion, and the presence of the almighty procession Thickman get from the security forces further reinforces the image when enough people are already have of him, say him as some kind of god. Daddy badness. Just picture it from the perspective of a youth from Tarspen. Capture land. Him see 100 man dead. Him see 100 woman dead. Him see teacher dead. Him see police dead. Him see soldier dead. Him see all politician dead. Him see carpenter dead. Him see mason man dead. Him see electrician dead. Him see all kind of funerals. But him not see nobody go out like this. Who would he want to be? Who are they protecting exactly? Because it can't be the people of Spanish Town, because every single police officer within a 50-mile radius driving around in one motorcade doesn't protect the people them. Because toward this procession big, it look like every police officer, it look like even policeman they on leave, have to come off a leave and go up on the branch. So it's not protecting the residents, it's not protecting Spanish Town, because the police and military personnel are traveling with the procession. So clearly Thickman thing no normal. Just like we hear the youth say, Papa thing no normal. Well, guy, all I'm saying is maybe you need a strategic reevaluation as to how you want to do these damn funerals. There has to be heightened security. We understand that there has to be more police than normal on the ground, and you're gonna need man there because suppose this go happen and man go. We understand all that, but you don't need every single police in police down to drive back a Thickman. This is a state level funeral. Thickman funeral procession look like when Obama drop a iron man. This is why you can't tell the youths them nothing about daddy badness. You can't tell them nothing about them favorite Dan. Because them are gonna tell us say, who you claim say attack man don't even go out like this. There is simply no reason for so much police follow back a Thickman casket. There is no reason. Anything you want to come with, I think we will understand. Yes, heightened security, and then if you be able to maintain order, plus suppose our next rival go fire. We understand all of that, but there is no need for that the amount of security personnel and security resources to follow back a one Dan guy. It only reinforces what someone already believe. So these people are gods amongst men. Where so much police and soldier go guy? there is no strategic reason for this amount of police and soldier work at Thickman. None. None whatsoever. That the procession there, bigger than enough of your favorite MP them and politician them. All man who was prime minister, all man who was dead and gone and a very boss is a guy. The only thing left to seal it was like 4 car behind it. One a carry Umbre, one a carry Marky Saxon, one a carry Babsy, and one a carry Donald Trump. And they'll send him off in the grandest of style. State level funeral guy. To show you how them carry the thing to a next level. The man them all preview the body. Thickman was like lying in state. You know when time a politician dead or the president dead, they made the body lie down and them say he's lying in state. Thickman was lying in state. Guy. And by the way, just like me telling you, Perry's bingo. Perry's bingo again. It has to be studied. Them man that carry the boss in this gone to a whole other level. And if you were just a bunch of dopey bad doing crazy things, you could have said, well, you know, people just spend their money and do what they want to do. Remember, say, over the years, we've seen many done funerals. They have always been lavish. They've always been, you know, because, you know, the done is somebody was seen as larger than life. So anytime they bury them people, they make it no say the done thing not normal. That's always been the case. But when you get them kind of procession there, when you get them kind of escort there, to your final resting place, guy, even the local YouTuber can't tell Tarspen and one other man them nothing right now. Cause man I tell you say daddy badness them and they are God on earth. And man I tell you say you see it, even the state have it turn out in the numbers. When escort the general team final resting place. That him I go tell you and we are go argue back say. No man, I just see them all maintain security with 10 million police. Guys, not that serious. So much police and soldiers needed, guy. You that serious on Nelson Mandela. You that serious on Bob Marley I go to him find a resting place. It has to be studied. Now, before the video ends, let me just say this. Whoever work on that graveyard, whoever cut up what is marble, yo, the bad mind turn up, man. The bad only if you tell me to stop bad mind. Dan and them people, one time a them kind of graveyard man lie down in a guy. Bad mind in feet. Whoever work on this a marble here, whoever work on this a graveyard, whoever do the stone work, you're vile. You're vilely talented. Whoever work on that, the gravestone there. Whoever do the tile work on them sitting there, you're vile. You're vilely talented. Not because a dopey about Thickman go lie down night. Me can't take that from you. It bossy. Right now, no feud can't wait for dead to get for them one. Tile guy. Manually the tile. The grave tile. You're vile. You do your thing, youth. Or youths. Or mom. Who knows? Me don't know. Can be one sister into me don't know. Buried any scene on. But you can't tell you them say badness and the nicest thing on earth. All the time you're dead. All not dead. Irish Saxons. Right. Make acidity look good. All not dead. Man can't wait for dead. To get fame one. Man I tell himself so me I go dead anyway. So might as well when time me dead me go like the great king of Zamunda. Has to be studied. Tarspen on the done bingo. Funeral bossy. Just as I expected. But I never expect the security forces to give me them kind of procession they do. For a second I thought it was Nelson Mandela passing through. For a second I thought it was Obama or Trump or one of them man. Yeah, them man was so one done. It has to be studied. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.